Record session now. So the first question. Let's do a class 12th question now. Question number 34. Is everyone able to see it clearly? Let me know in the chat option. 34th question, this one. It's not that blur. It is x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 3. Point of minimum, point of inflection, not a critical point, a point of maximum. Yeah, I think we have to encode it. Yeah, we have to encode it, Abhi. Little bit of encoding, like encryption, decryption is there, right? We have to decode it. Okay. Yeah. So how many of you know how to do this question? See, first thing is we have to eliminate, right? I always stress on elimination. Correct. What I'll eliminate in this? How many of you know what is the critical point? How many of you don't know critical point? Tell me now. Don't know means you just type don't know and let me know. Critical point meaning. I'm asking to critical point. Let me know in the chat option. I'm getting no response from anyone. If you know, you type you know critical point. If you don't know, you type don't know. What about Anu? Abhi, Pranav just came. It's okay. See, if you don't know critical, see, first thing is what I'm teaching is how to eliminate the option, right? Correct? See, is this function differentiable? F of x is equal to x cube. Is it differentiable? Is it differentiable? Yes. F dash of x can be, got it, right? Correct? Yeah. I'm getting some 3 messages now. Yeah. Fine. See, suppose the question is f of 2. Instead of this x, f of x is equal to 2. What is my f dash of x? 0, right? F dash of x 0. So in the first differentiation only, if I am getting 0, that is called critical point. Okay, the meaning is what? It's a critical point. Okay, if f dash of x is equal to 0 in the first differentiation only. Then comes a point of minimum and point of inflection and point of maximum. I think already I'm getting one answer. Option D. Okay. How many of you know how to do this question? 34th. Critical point, okay. How many of you know how to do this? Or don't know means type don't know. If anyone should also type don't know, I'll be doing it, okay? Because it's a very important question, that's the reason. For understanding. I got two options as the answer, others. But good that you guys are trying it. Hasini Charan. Others are still doing it or how you want my help in it? 34th question. And Sri has done it. Those who have done it, just send me the pic in WhatsApp. I know, just let me know whether you're, yeah, if it is there, then send it to me. I think I'm getting different options anyway. Let me close this thing. So this is our question, right? I think you can see here. First derivation, correct? F dash of x, we got it. I hope everyone knows how to differentiate it. And we'll get what x is equal to 2 is a critical point. So not, so the option here is what? I got x is equal to 2 is a critical point. So first thing is I had to come down and I had to delete option C. Not a, there is not an option. Read the complete question at x is equal to 2. It is a critical point. I already got a critical point. First thing in these kind of questions, critical point will not be our answer. Anything related to critical point will not be our answer. This through my experience I'm telling you. Okay, kindly put it in the brain. That's it. Option C is not an answer. X is equal to 2 is a critical point. The option, what is it? What they're telling? X is equal to 2 is not a critical point. So option C is eliminated first of all. Then do the second derivative test. Correct. Once you're doing f double dash of x, and if you do f double dash 2 is equal to 0, I'm getting. Which means our second derivative test also fail. Then do the third derivative test. 6, I'm getting triple dash. Correct. Since triple dash is not equal to 0, then what is it? X is equal to 2 is a point of inflection, which means it is neither minimum or max. It's a point of inflection. Now, can you see this thing? Where the curvature of the function changes. Local maximum, when f double dash of x less than 0. Local minimum, f double dash of x greater than 0. What is critical point? F dash of x equals 0 is undefined. So that's the thing. So I clearly written down here option C, not a critical point, because x is equal to 2 is a critical point. So point of inflection is the correct answer. I hope it's clear for everyone. Thirty-seventh question. I know this was not that clear. x e power x into 1 minus x. Then f of x is what? Entrance questions, that minus, the number line system will not work. We have to substitute in the options to get the answer. Okay, 37th question, do it and let me know what is the answer in the chat option. If you don't know how to do it, please let me know the chat option. Okay, don't. The first thing is, in this, if it is increasing, decreasing, first thing what do you do? We have to differentiate, correct? UV rule. I think you know how to do the UV rule, right? U dash V plus UV dash. Yes. Once you're done with the UV rule, you'll be getting something like this. 1 plus x minus 2x square. Okay. Now go back to the question and see the values here. Increasing in R, decreasing in R, minus 1 by 2, 1. Correct? Yes or no? So we will substitute some few values and check. Simple as that. We'll substitute some few values and check. I'll come back to your messages later. So I will put first x is equal to minus 1. If I am putting x is equal to minus 1 in that equation, 1 plus x minus 2x square, which is the equation which I am putting, I'll just write down here. The differentiated one, 1 plus x minus 2x square. Suppose if you don't understand here, once I am down, I'll help you out, okay? Don't worry. The first thing is substitute what? Minus 1. Real number, right? I have to just put it out. Real number if I'm putting. Minus 1 if I'm putting. What is the value I'm getting? Minus 2 I'm getting. Minus 2 I'm getting. Then if I'm putting x is equal to 0 in this equation, the value what I'm getting, positive 1 I am getting. Then if I'm putting x is equal to 2, real number, one more. Then again I'm getting negative. First one was negative, then positive, then negative. For minus 1, what I'm getting? I'm getting negative. Correct? For positive 1, that is for x is equal to what I'm getting? Again it is decreasing, negative. You got the point. At x is equal to 0, what I'm getting? Positive. So now come back to the options here. 0, it is increasing. Correct? Minus 1 by 2. This is close bracket means is included also. But minus 1, what I'm getting? Negative. Correct? And with the 0, what I'm getting? Positive. I'm just checking out the values here in between these things. If I'm putting 0 here, what I'm getting? I can take any of the values, right? At 0, what I'm getting? It's increasing. The function is increasing. So option D is the answer. We can't say whether it is increasing in R or decreasing in R, this function. Option A and option B is completely wrong. And clearly 0, it is increasing. Correct? From negative to it is increasing. Then after 1, it is not. If it is 2, then it's a different answer altogether. I hope it's clear. Option D. Option D is the correct answer. How many of you did not understand this? Please let me know in chat option. Did not understand? Okay, fine. Once I come down, I'll help you out. I think most of you will need the help in this. It is not that difficult, okay? Yeah, that I have to tell you. Fine. So let me go to the textbook question. Yeah, do 38th one and let me know the answer. I think I'm getting the options here. I just wanted to know, have you seen this question somewhere? I'm getting two options. This 38th one, right? Now my simple question is, have you seen it somewhere? Yeah. This is a previous year question, to be very frank. Okay. Yeah. This is a repeated question, the previous year questions. Okay. Fine. And how many of you don't know how to do it? Okay. Sharon is having difficulty. Fine, I'll share the answer key now. Then let me know. Sharon. Guys, I'm just taking the answer key to everyone. Or else I think better I'll explain it 1 minute. I'll just pause the share. Yeah, I think I'm getting more options. 1 second. Let me just share this thing. Yeah. I think you guys are able to see, right, Charan? Are you able to see this? Let me know in the chat option. With simple substitution, put cos x is equal to t. I'll get minus sin x plus dot dx equal to dt. What about now, Charan? Are you able to see? Charan and everyone else. Not only Charan, with, let me see, Nidhi, Abhi. You're not able to see it? You can only see question number 13. Okay, 1 minute. Let me just stop the share. Now I think you'll be able to see, I think so. Now I think everyone can see it, right? Yes. Simple thing. I'm just doing a simple substitution. Cos x is equal to t minus sin x to dx equal to dt. Then minus, and the what is this? The moment I get these kind of questions, I have to make it a what? Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square, or integral of 1 by a square plus x square format. Then I'll be getting 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. That's it. Simple as that. Integral of 1 by a square plus x square, or x square plus a square is nothing but 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. That's all. Anyway, I'll be sharing this thing to everyone. I think you might have got it now in the WhatsApp. Yeah. Now I'll stop this sharing thing. This is pretty much doable only. It's not that difficult. Okay. We'll go to an easier topic. No, I think one more important thing is there here. Some continuity or something I saw. Yeah. 29th what? Let me know the answer. 29th one. I'm getting one option. Let me check. Yes. And those who done it, just send me how you got it also. Because it's again learning question, that's the reason. I'm getting some more options. I want answer from everyone, okay? Whether it is right or wrong. Nidhi has also sent me the thing. B. Others, if you don't know, type I don't know. If you're not sure on how to do it, okay. See, first thing is eliminating the options, right? First of all, if I take cos x, what is cos 90 value? I'll ask those who didn't understand. Anu, Pranav, what is cos 90 value? Nikhil has given me sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is what? 0. I'm talking about cos 90. 0. Anu is there or not? Yeah. Please make sure that you're continuously in the chat. You're continuously engaged. Then only the results will come. So cos 90 is 0. Correct? Yes or no? Cos 90 is 0. So that I think you got it. Everywhere continuous and differentiable, everywhere continuous but not differentiable, neither continuous nor differentiable, not differentiable everywhere. So wherever, okay, see, not differentiable everywhere. That is not true because cos x can be differentiated. If it is even multiple, what is cos pi value? -1. Correct. I think everyone knows it, right? Correct or not? Wait, I think let me just share it. Yeah, let me pause the screen. Then only you guys will get it. Okay, let's pause it. Is everyone able to see the screen now? Is everyone able to see the screen? Yeah, perfect. See, differentiating. Okay, if I'm just saying differentiation of this, d by dx of mod cos x. In the sense, when cos x is equal to 0, which means at cos 90, odd multiples, correct? Even multiples. What is 2 into pi by 2? Let me just type it down here. Odd multiple meaning odd, which means odd multiple means I'm multiplying by odd numbers. To be very simple with you guys. Multiply by odd numbers. That is multiply by what? Pi by 2. Sorry, multiply by 1, 3 and all. 3 by 3 pi by 3 pi by 2 and all. Because cos 90 is what? 0. So pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 by pi 2, all the values will give me what? 0. Correct? So can I differentiate d by dx of 0? Is it possible in the odd multiple? No. Not possible to differentiate. Correct or not? Not differentiable at odd multiples. But if it is 2 pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 2 pi divided by 2, then 2 and 2 will get cancelled, get pi, which means minus 1. That is differentiable. At even multiples, I can differentiate. Anu, is it clear? Guys, if you're not clear, again, I'll come down and I'll help you out. Don't get panicked. If you're not clear, if you're not able to understand, I'll clearly explain you. Okay. So first thing is, then we have to go to the option here. Where is the question? Yes. Just let me clear these things off. Yeah. Everywhere continuous and differentiable, not possible. Because at odd multiple differentiation not possible because 0 I'll be getting. 2n plus 1 by 2. Neither continuous nor difference. That is also not true. Not if it is differentiable at even multiples. So the only option is what? Everywhere continuous, but not differentiable at odd multiple. Option B. Is it clear? This also I'll share it to you. This document also I'll share. Okay. Yeah. And guys, suppose if the meeting is getting ended, kindly rejoin in the same link. Okay. No doubt, right? In this question, or any doubt is there? Mark it. Okay. Let me just clear. Again, eliminate everything, but a lot of learnings are there. Differentiable in the sense, kindly do differentiation and see. But little bit extra thinking is required. Little bit extra thinking is required in these things. I'm getting some chat. Oh, no doubt. Okay. Awesome. Okay. 30th question. Do the 30th one.